end of August, and usually by the end of the month I completely lose my self-motivation, and I know that I'm not the only one. I feel like at the end of the month we all just like slow down, and right now fall is approaching, which I'm so excited about. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along my monthly reset routine. I've filmed a video like this in the past, but it was a long time ago, so we're gonna do another one. But I love doing monthly reset routines, just setting myself up for success for the new month, especially now that there's a new season approaching. I'm so excited for fall. I literally bought some things for fall that I want to show you guys. It's nothing crazy because I don't want to overdo it, but I did buy some pieces and I'm so excited for the season of fall. So like I said, I'm going to be taking along my monthly reset routine and just resetting for the month of September. As you can see, I already made my iced latte. I cannot function without this, and in order to do this whole reset I need my coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along my reset routine, and I'm so excited for the month of September. So the first thing that I'm going to get into is cleaning. Obviously, you guys know I love cleaning. I literally clean in every single one of my videos, but monthly cleaning is a little bit different. So about a couple of days ago, I cleaned my room like pretty good. I literally took out every single thing out of my closet, and I literally mopped the floors of the closet, my whole room. I reorganized my whole closet. I threw out a bunch of things and I forgot to film it. I just got into like a random boost of like energy of wanting to clean and get rid of things. So I already did that 2 days ago, but I didn't wipe off the surfaces and the mirrors and all of that, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I also need to clean my kitchen. I want to clean my hairbrushes, like all of those little things that you do once a month. So we're gonna do like a monthly cleaning as well. And I also need to change my bed sheets. So we're just gonna clean everything and just have a clean and fresh space, because I love starting off the month with a clean and fresh space, because we all know this, clean space is a clean mind. So that's like my motto of cleaning. And I also love cleaning. I feel like it's super therapeutic. It's like free therapy for me. So thankfully I have that trait where I don't like dread cleaning. I actually love it so much, like putting on music, cleaning, that's my vibe. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do, and I'm gonna take you along the process because I love seeing like the before and after of cleaning. Like everything looks disgusting, but then the final result is like so worth it. I love it. It's like a boost of serotonin or whatever. I love it. That's the first thing that we're gonna do. These are the little fall decorations that I decided to add to my room. It's literally only 2 things, but I'm gonna try to add more if I find anything cute. But I got this like ceramic adorable pumpkin from Marshall's, and then this beautiful candle that I've seen a bunch of people buy from TJ Maxx, and when I went I found it and it actually smells so good. It's a very big size candle, honestly. It's like pink and it has these little ghosts. I find it so cute, and then when it runs out I could use this to like put makeup brushes or anything like that. It's like very cute decor as well. So this is all that I have for now, but obviously if I find more I'm definitely going to add little subtle things, because as you can see this is not anything crazy. It's very subtle and it's so cute. I love it. right now I'm going to throw away my old toothbrush. I try to do this every 1 to 2 months, but here is the brand new one. Changing out your toothbrush is super important, so now I have a brand new clean one and this is going in the garbage. So as you could see, I just got out of the shower. I just did an everything shower and I feel so clean. I love these types of showers because I just feel like brand new when I get out. But right now I'm doing some eye patches. It's been a while since I've done them and I have some in my refrigerator, so I decided to put them on and they're so cooling. I literally feel like I'm in a spa right now. But after this I'm gonna do my skincare, and I just put on this new pajama that I got from Target. It's so cozy and comfortable and perfect for fall because it's brown. So now I'm all cozy, cleaned up, just took the best shower ever, did my skincare, and now I'm gonna do some journaling. I found on Pinterest a little new month journal prompt that is super helpful and helps you clear your mind to start the new month. So I'm gonna be doing that right now in my little journal. I have a couple of journals, but this is the one where I write like all my goals and all of that kind of stuff. You guys have seen it in other videos before, but basically it says the intentions that I'm setting for the new month, what is on my to-do list for the new month, and what do you want to feel more in the new month, and what can you do to make that happen, just stuff like that. And this helps you reset your energy for the new month, so it's so amazing and you feel so good after it. I love doing this because I love writing new goals as well for the new month. Nice and simple and realistic goals that will help you feel accomplished once you complete them. And I love writing like little small realistic goals rather than like huge unrealistic goals that I'm probably not going to accomplish. So I'm going to do that. I feel like I have some goals that I want to accomplish in the new month, and like I said, it's a new season coming up, so I'm just so excited for the month of September and everything that has to come in the next couple of months.